Find a comfortable position. Let your body be held by the floor, the chair, or whatever is underneath you right now. You don't have to do anything with this time. You don't have to arrive somewhere or release something or understand anything new. You just have to let yourself be here. Take a breath, not a performance breath, just the one your body actually wants to take. And another. Good. There's something you've been carrying. You might not have a name for it. You don't need one. But it lives somewhere in your chest or your throat or the space just behind your sternum. A kind of waiting, a kind of checking, a voice that asks before you speak or choose your move, is this allowed? Is this safe? Will this be okay with everyone who matters? That voice is not yours. It was installed, carefully over years by systems that needed you uncertain and asking for permission. It learned your cadence. It sounds like you, but it was never yours. Let yourself feel the weight of it for just a moment, not to dwell in it, just to acknowledge it. You've been carrying something that was never yours to carry. Bring your attention to your feet. Feel them against whatever they're resting on. The ground is here. It has always been here. Let the weight of your body settle downward. Your legs, your hips, the base of your spine. You don't have to hold yourself up right now. The ground is doing that. Take a breath and feel your belly rise. Not your chest, your belly. This low, slow breath is one your body has been waiting to take. Bring your attention to your hands. Let them be heavy. Uncurl your fingers if they're curled. Let your palms open, even slightly. Open hands signal to your nervous system, I am not braced, I am not defending, I can receive. Stay here for a moment, breathing slowly and letting your body settle. Now bring attention to your throat, not to fix anything, just to notice. There may be tightness there, or a kind of holding, a history of words that were swallowed before they finished forming, words that got turned into questions because questions were safer than statements, words that got apologized for before they arrived. Breathe into your throat, not forcing anything loose, just offering warmth to a place that has done a lot of work to keep you safe. You were keeping yourself safe. The softening, the apologizing, the trailing off, those were intelligent adaptations. Your body was doing exactly what it learned to do. You can thank it for that. And you can let it know that the rules have changed. Bring your attention now to your chest. Your sternum, the center of your chest, that long, flat bone running down the middle. Place a hand there if you'd like. This is where your voice actually lives. Not in the throat, not at the edges. Here at the center, where it has warmth and depth and gravity. Breathe into this space. Imagine your voice, your real voice, living here. Not performing, not softening, not asking permission, just present, warm, and yours. It has been here the whole time. It didn't go anywhere. It just learned to wait. Give it a moment of acknowledgement. You don't have to speak out loud. Just notice it. The knowing that lives here. The things you knew before you were taught to doubt them. You knew when something was wrong. You knew when a room shifted. You knew what you wanted before someone told you that wanting was dangerous. That knowing is still in there. Bring your attention now to your hands again. Imagine you're holding something. Something light, something small. A seed, a stone, a word. Something that represents your own authority, your right to know what you know. Hold it and feel the weight of it. This is yours. It has always been yours. The systems that needed your obedience spent years convincing you otherwise, but they were wrong. Your knowing was never the threat. It was the thing they couldn't control. Let that land somewhere in your body. You don't have to think about it. Just let it settle. Take a slow breath. Feel the ground again underneath you. Solid, patient, holding. Feel your hands open or curled around that small thing you're holding. Feel your sternum, warm and present, the home of the voice that was always yours. There's no threshold you have to cross right now, no decision to make, no voice to reclaim tonight. You've already been doing the work. This is just the part where you rest inside it. Let your body be held. Let your breath be easy. You are allowed to take up this space. You are allowed to be here, breathing, held, and real. The lie that your obedience was the price of safety is something you don't have to keep paying for. You never did. Take one more slow breath and let your body remember this feeling, grounded, held, unhurried, your own knowing present and quiet and warm in your chest. When you're ready, begin to bring gentle movement back. Your fingers, your toes, a slow breath that moves a little more air. Let your eyes open softly when they're ready. Take your time. You're not in a hurry.